We're here at the train tracks that run through Wallingford, and the bells are chirping, the lights are flashing, the barricades, the barriers are down. That can only mean one thing: another Trump train coming through Wallingford. This will be the third time, third time. I think it's coming from the north, but I've seen so many, I can't tell you which way it's coming from. I shouldn't be out here near the tracks, but I'm just checking a close check. I'm gonna go back. Here it comes. It's coming from the north. Oh, what a sweet sound when you hear a Trump train coming through Wallingford. Trump train! It ain't a long train, but it doesn't have to be. It's at a Trump rally in Wallingford, and the name of the rally is called Downtown Train to MAGA, and that's exactly what we're doing. The heat has kept the numbers down, but some of the usual showed up, and we got a lot of new people, and it's a lot of fun. Look at this. I could think of nothing I'd rather be doing today than standing here with this camera and listening to Julia Babcock sing, sharing it with my friends, and to watch the train come through. Palin Smith, Wallingford, Connecticut. See you at the next